such beautiful sapling with such a lovely plant. All because of how much you have motivated us. We didn't know that we had all these capabilities inside of us. And thank you, sir. India needs people like you so that we can build a better future.
The energy was high. With all your points, fear, criticism, self-motivation, comparison, expectation, and aiming high, giving all the study mantra, one special mantra you have given, that is respecting Mata, Pita and Guru. That is the core of this.
Mr. Vinay Kumar, the CEO of Skillfix, gave a very inspirational talk to the students which encouraged them to perform better in their coming public exams. Students enjoyed the program and we expect him to come at least twice in a year.
What are you? And start living like a lion. Thank you very much. Vinay Patil signing off. God bless you. Do well in your exams. All the best.